Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so we had quite of a journey yesterday. I wanna go. Let me remember which chart is that. So I did clean up a little bit the chart, as you can see. So much better now. Yeah, okay. So this is the one I wanna talk a little bit. Are we into the bear market? Is bear market confirmed? Honestly, I don't know what to think about anymore. The only thing I know now it's yeah, this could have been the top of the bigger third wave because we did have 5-way up, depending on how you see it. And then this could have been the A overshooting wave B and the C, and all that it could be just the A. And so actually, let me double check if I think that's okay. So the B now, ideally, yeah, anywhere between 0.5 and 0.786. I say ideally, but once again, B-Wave can overshoot. The last cycle, we went to the 1.05 fib extension, and that would bring us to under 30. And can it go even higher? It can go, I mean, up to, sky's the limit almost. 1.38, not impossible. That's bring us to under $66,000. Now, could it be that this is something more bullish? And yeah, talking about the super cycle, right? So wave 1, wave 2, and now we go for the third wave. That would be super cycle, and we're making it means we would make an extension of this no, fourth wave, right? So after the bigger fourth wave here, we would make an extension. No one knows, honestly. The structure is there for an A overshooting wave B and a C. The C, we do have 5-wave down. The fifth wave, now, if I do micro counting. Okay, I have a good news and I have a bad news also. If I do micro counting, we were into this fourth wave and now this is the fifth. And if I do, well, I cannot even count it. Oh my god, what happened here? My goodness. Are you serious? Okay, sorry about that. Yeah, I was saying this fifth wave down. As you can see, we did a very nice third wave. This could be the fourth wave, and still have one leg down to go. Do I believe we need to do that? Well, this is nano counting now. It's not even micro counting. So absolutely we don't need it. And maybe because this third wave was so impulsive, the fourth and fifth are hidden here and we don't see them. So this is one possibility. As you can see, I still put it there. And I don't know why this is not in yellow. Okay, so this is the area for this fourth wave in yellow. I would start to say, can we say this is diagonal? Yeah, I mean, we could. So this is why I put the 0.618 fib extension, retracement, sorry. So if Bitcoin goes way over $70,022, for me, this is going to be one of the many signs that this correction could be over. So let's go over all these hint for me anyway. So we're breaking the downtrend here. If we manage to go higher here, this this cannot be a fourth wave anymore in yellow, so it means I can invalidate this fifth wave. If we go higher on this previous peak, also it's start to be more clear. Now, what do I need beside that? So up to now we have breaking of the trend, going higher than $70,000. That's hint number 2. And yeah, it looks like now we're making maybe a third wave. If we make a third wave indeed and reach the 1.38, 73,412, Then this would be a third hint, once again. But after that, I will need a fourth and a fifth. If I do that, then, I have 5-way up, my friends. And this, for sure, it's micro counting. Well, I mean, it's 1 hour time frame. But it would start to pile up a case that this, my friends, was the lower low, which was unbelievable. Would you have told me that? I would have believed it. I did tell you I dried out all my cash flow, and yeah, I didn't buy the dip, sorry. So if someone actually got the dip at 59,900, well, good for you, my friend. You were way better than me. Yeah, you were very, very patient. Me, at, what was it? I think 66,000. I was out of money already. 66 or 67,000. And this is a lesson for me as well, because I do find that maybe I didn't manage well my funds, and I bought not I bought too much, right? And I should have kept a small reserve for crazy crash time. But on the other side, I'm not going to keep half of my funds for a crazy crash, right? So even if you keep 10%, it's not that going to make the big difference. Okay, so now we can see, yeah, this candle is going crazy high now. Well, it's looking good, my friends. So let's see how it goes. Also, on the daily, RSI, where this was a memorable level 1649. I don't know when was the last time we went that low. I guess we need to go several years ago. Maybe on the 2020. Let's go and double check here. Just for fun. 2020. Yeah, we went a little bit low, about the same level, right? Then the pandemic. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Keep the faith. Anyway, I do. I'm very happy with the purchase I did, and yeah, like we shall see now, right? Now I'm watching this level here. This could be, I don't know, maybe we're doing something even more crazy. This was, I don't know. I don't want to be the person who's going to say this is a 1-2, this is the third, a fourth, and a fifth to go, right? I don't want to be that kind of person, because my friends are going to hate me, but I'm going to check it out though. So because I'm aware of that, now I need to adjust here also, because we went crazy lower. So to me, if we go higher than 76,687, this is going to be another hint that this fourth wave is not happening and we're on a way up. And as well, after that, it's going to be structure, my friends. We need to do micro counting on the structure, on this wave up, on the way up, and we will see how we get to, I don't know, 87,000, or if we go even higher. And we must really zoom in and check the structure, because only the structure will help us to find out if this is the fifth wave, if this is the third wave, or this is the B wave of the bear market. All right, I know the bear market word is scary, but it isn't if we manage to identify it and start to take profits, to wait and buy lower. So it's it depends how you see things, right? Because bear market equal very nice discount price of Bitcoin. All right, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.